Just a quick tip for you guys. This is a good way to prepare polishing cloths ahead of time. So just get some cotton fabric and cut it up into rectangles of whatever size you prefer. And then get some metal polish. I like to use this Mother's metal polish. It works well. You can find it at places like Walmart. And then apply it liberally to the rags and then let them dry outside in the sun. And then you can store these rags in a glass jar for later use. I've found that the metal polish doesn't really work until most of the petroleum distillate solvent has evaporated. So it either needs to be nearly dry or totally dry for it to work well.